thing we can hear is Sanchez has 5 centimeters less on the reach. Let's be honest, guys, these fighters are perfectly matched.
Yeah, absolutely. Close in age. All the other stats are pretty close. Like I said, all the noise again is around Akhtamov, but I want to see what Sanchez has as well.
Well, let's get this one going as we hand over once again to Grant Waterman.
Introducing these two 971 warriors once again. Fighting out of the blue corner. This fighter stands 180 centimeters tall. He weighed in at 70.5 kilograms. He has a record of 7 wins with 5 losses. He represents South Africa. He is Adrian Rayo Sanchez. And fighting out of the red corner. This fighter stands 178 centimeters tall. He weighed in at 70.5 kilograms. He has an unbeaten record of 9 wins with no losses. Representing Uzbekistan, he is Mirafzal Mirko Akhmatov. The referee in charge of the action is Helmi Hamdosi.
Men ham birinchi Mirafzal aka bilan tanishganimda familiyalarini Akhtamov emas, Atxamov degandim. Hozir mana anonsor ham Ahmatov deb yubordi. Mayli, ko'ramiz. Birinchi raund boshlanmoqda. Demak, hamyurtimiz aktiv harakatni boshlayapti. Hozircha zarbalar yo'q. Vaziyat o'rganilmoqda, lekin hamyurtimizda juda ham kuchli zarbalar bor. Oyoqlar bilan, qo'llar bilan yaxshi ishlaydi, shuningdek submissionlar ham bor. Umuman olganda universal jangchi. PFL ligasida jang qilib borayotganini aytdim. Hozir PFL hamyurtimizga bitta jangga ruxsat berdi. Mana shu 971 FC oqshomida jang qilishga. Va avgust oylarida, avgust-sentyabr oylarida Mirafzal Akhtamov PFL ligasida navbatdagi jangini o'tkazadi. Tez orada Usmon Nurmagomedov bilan ham jangga harakat qilyapti Mirafzal Akhtamov. Buni o'zi ham ko'p bor aytdi. Hozircha zarbalar minimal darajada. Oyoq zarbasi bilan oldinga borib ko'rdi Sanchez. Hozircha unda ham zarbalar aniq borgani yo'q. Mirafzal Akhtamov hozircha kutyapti. Raqibning xatosini kutmoqda. Bir zarba bilan hal qilib qo'yish mumkin, chunki u mana endi ochiqchasiga kirishib ketdi jangga. Yo'q, hozircha masofani yaqinlashtiryapti. Mana bu yerda mana bu zarbalarga e'tibor bering. Tana qismiga zarba bergandan so'ng qornini ushlab qoldi. Og'ir zarba qabul qilib oldi menimcha.
Like I was saying there, Akhtamov is known for controlling the fights, but Sanchez looks like he's leading the dance here.
Overhand right did connect from Mirko. 2 minutes into this contest. A lot to explore here in the opening minutes.
Hard knee and he goes back
Yana
to it.
tizza zarbasi tana qismiga.
Clinch and the knee working from Mirko here in the first round.
He knew that did some damage. Sanchez instantly dropped his right hand to protect that midsection.
Oldinga borib harakat qilyapti tutib olishga Sanchez. Mirafzal Akhtamov hozir yaxshi qarshi hujumga o'tdi. Uppercut zarbasi mana bu yerda. Akhtamovdan sekin astalik bilan boshlanmoqda. Birin-ketin mana hozir yana bir o'ng qo'l zarbasi ham aniq chiqdi. Bosh qismiga tegdi. Sanchez hozircha ojiz qolmoqda bunday zarbalardan. Yaqin masofa chap qo'ldan zarbani o'tkazib yuboryapti. Sanchez menimcha hech narsa qilmadi degandek ishora qildi hozir. Bo'ynini qisib qo'ydi.
Sometimes when a fighter eats a shot, they try and do that to say it didn't hurt, but
It looked like that definitely set
when
him
they
off a
do
little
it,
bit.
it usually means it hurt.
Oldinga boryapti Sanchez, palaparchis zarbalar bilan, aniq zarba yo'q, mana bu yerda
Exactly, in a straight line as well.
ajoyib zarbasini o'tkazib yubordi. Bir qancha zarbalar.
Lovely position, just moves away, gives himself space to work.
Yana ikkitalik zarba Ravzal Ahtamovdan.
Such an explosive strike, and it's those strikes that are really having some compound interest here in this opening round.
Haykik zarbasi.
Hear them land.
Like you were saying earlier, Carl, no wind up on those kicks either.
No telegraph.
Uppercut aniq chiqmadi. Mana bu yerda haykik.
Still in this, and a nice little clip to the back of the head
Jab.
from Sanchez.
1,5 daqiqa vaqt bor hozircha birinchi raund yakuniga. Jangni hali muddatdan avval yakunlasa bo'ladi. Mana bu yerda parterga harakat. Takedown amalga oshadimi? Hozircha qarshilik qilyapti Sanchez. Bermayapti.
Able to stay on his feet for the time being.
Ravzal Ahtamov esa
Minute left in this round.
endi bir oyoqqa ham yopishdi. Mana bu yerda esa takedown amalga oshyapti baribir.
1 minute left. Knee to the body.
Mana endi nazoratni amalga oshirish kerak. Yo'q, nazorat oson bo'lmadi. Nazoratni amalga oshirish
Sanchez get back to his feet.
aylanib olyapti. Sanchez hozircha yaqin masofada keskin jang ketmoqda.
Really working so far for Mirko.
Sanchez needs to be careful like ducking that head on the way out here.
Yeah, Sanchez is wise to it. He
Uppercut
blocked that last
zarbasi.
shot from Mirko.
Masofaviy jangga qaytishyapti jangchilar.
Opening round.
Wheel kick.
Aylanma zarba tana qismiga yo'llandi.
Once again,
Phase.
yeah, a little bit of showboating from Sanchez.
Yeah. Sanchez
Chap qo'l zarbasi. Ravzal Ahtamov ehtiyot bo'lish kerak. Zarbalar o'tkazib yuboryapti.
Backing up Mirko. Final few seconds of this round.
Landed
Mana
left
bu yerda
himself.
esa Sanchez juda o'ziga ishonib yuborib oldinga boryapti. Mana bu yerda endi qabul qilib oldi zarbani.
time at the end of this round.
Birinchi raund esa nihoyasiga yetmoqda.
Cut. He's got blood coming from his ear there.
Endi
I wonder was that
1 daqiqalik tanaffus.
Yeah.
Sanchez juda ham
Get that on the replay.
xursand mana shu oxirgi epizod uchun. Ko'ramiz jang oxirida kim xursand
I
bo'ladi.
mean, that's a tricky round to score from the judges. And let's just
See what we got here.
blood pumps from.
Takroriylab qana
I
ko'ramiz.
don't need the body there. That was the knee to the body. The initial one
Tirsak zarbalari,
definitely took its toll. Let's see if we see
single
Mirko
zarbalar
wobble here.
to'g'ri, tirsak.
Oh, no.
Overhand.
A back and forth opening round, and if you're looking at that from the judges' perspective, how do we score it?
Yeah, again, like we were saying earlier, how the round finished
man,
can
it's
influence
good,
the
yeah.
judges as well, but overall it was a very tight fight
Yeah,
throughout the
bu
round,
vaziyat
so
emas ekan.
maybe that little wobble at the end
Qo'rqitsa
will
kerak.
influence the
Aynan
judges.
Ravzal
And
Ahtamov
Sanchez
zarba
has
o'tib ketgan
a
vaziyatni.
dog in this fight. Didn't seem like one in the opening round.
Yeah, absolutely. And he's certainly not acting like it, you know, he's clearly here to fight. You can see, sorry, I'm distracted here because he's shouting at his core and he's so fired up.
Qo'lyapti. Ikkinchi raund.
Look,
He's certainly
like a
reveling in
dog,
this
yeah,
moment.
just going back and forth.
His nickname is Rayo. That means son of thunder, and it feels like he's got some lightning inside him to give tonight.
Applicable.
It's a big name.
Adrian
Hozircha
Sanchez
Ravzal Ahtamov
pumped and pumped heading to the second round.
UFC-ga
Shouting as well across the
Yeah.
cage.
He wants a fight.
juda yaqin turgan jangchilarimizdan o'zi shundoq ham yomon ligada emas,
Round two
PFL
underway here
ligasida.
in Dubai.
Demak, ikkinchi raund boshlandi.
Strong first round from both, been hard to score, but Sanchez seemed very confident.
Beautiful.
Hamyurtimizga ikkita taklif tushgandi o'zi. PFLdan va UFC'ning shousi The Ultimate Fighter'dan taklif tushgandi. Bilasiz, The Ultimate Fighter'da
Some confidence from that first round.
g'alaba qozonish uchun ikkita uchta raqibni yengish kerak, keyin finalda g'alaba qozonish kerak. Ana shunda sizga UFC kontrakt beradi. Bu juda ham bir muammoli masala. Hozir bir qancha zarbalarni ko'ryapmiz. Sanchez oldinga boryapti.
Walking Akhtamov. Sanchez has been dialed in, so he's not here just
Chap qo'l zarbasi.
for a paycheck.
Sanchezdan oldinga boryapti Ravzal Ahtamov.
Right straight to the body there. Does
Biroz
Mirko's very high
erkin
skills.
qo'yib yuboryapti
Mirko.
o'zini
Cut counter.
Sanchez.
Like we said earlier, Mirko's coming in with a lot of noise.
Low
around him.
kick.
You know, he's earned that undefeated record.
Just came off that great win.
Overhand zarbasi Sanchezdan.
But once again, Sanchez showing he belongs here.
Hozircha zarbalarni ko'taryapti
This corner
Sanchez.
is falling for it. He answered the
Low
bell.
kickni ko'rdik. Mana bu yerda Ravzal
That hair's like
Ahtamovdan
I'm saying, ducking the head a little bit. Got to be careful with that. There's knees, uppercuts.
o'zi ko'pincha
Again, no
hakamlar qaror orqali yutqazar ekan Sanchez.
No, he whips that.
Knockout
knee
yoki
leg
submissionga
jab,
ko'p
I
ham
don't
tushmagan. Faqatgina 2 marta muddatdan avval mag'lub bo'lgan. Birinchisi submission edi, ikkinchisi esa knockout.
understand. There's that uppercut again. That's finding home.
Yeah.
Oldinga boryapti.
Risky head movement escapes by
Bu
Mirko leaning
boxingdan
back like that.
ketdi. Muravzal Ahtamov, low kick.
Ooh, liver shot.
Oo, tana qismi his qildi. His qildi, oldinga borish kerak. Qo'llarini tushirib olgan. Zarbalar beryapti. Mana bu yerda esa takedownga harakat qilyapti Sanchez. Bermaslik kerak iloji boricha, chunki og'riqni his qildi Sanchez. Bo'g'ib qo'yish ham mumkin. Muravzal Ahtamov
He was wise to the Darce choke that Mirko was trying to set up. Tucked his
O'xshaydimi?
left elbow back. Mirko would be wise to stand here, give him some space and go back to that liver.
yo'q. Bo'g'ish o'xshamadi.
Right arm's going to be hanging low.
Har qalay takedown ham o'xshamadi. Mana bu yerda esa tana qismiga aylanma zarba.
Mirko knows
O'zi mana shu birinchi raundda tizza zarbasidan
Found
keyin
home on that.
tana qismiga biroz
Oh,
shikast
he's going
yetgani
back to that liver
bilingan.
shot again.
Lovely stuff from Thomas.
Mirko has invested in the body in this
Zarbalar
fight and is paying dividends.
Sanchezdan
Over 2 minutes left to
Terkot
go this second round.
tizza zarbasini o'tkazib yuboryapti.
Long 2 minutes
Oh,
for
left knee
Agent
to liver.
Sanchez.
Oo. Shunchaki himoyaga yotib olyapti Sanchez.
I know he's
No,
blocking them, but
He's
that's
trying
still
to
going to
cover
hurt.
up as much as he can, but Mirko knows the target is on the ribs and liver of Agent Sanchez.
Ko'ryapsiz, qiynalib ketdi Sanchez. Lekin chidash kerak, mana bu yerda zarbalar o'tkazib yuboryapti bosh qismiga. Tanasini yopaman desa boshi ochiq turibdi.
Mirko is finding his
Imkonsiz
shots
holatda
here.
hozir yana tana
Sanchez
qismiga
is
zarba.
tough, man.
He sat
Chidayapti
down,
lekin
what
gap
do you
bo'lish
expect?
mumkin emas. Yana ikkitalik zarba Muravzal Ahtamovdan.
As hurt as Sanchez is, he's still swinging and he's
Terkotlar
still got stopping
aniq
power.
bo'lmadi.
90 seconds to go here.
1,5 daqiqa vaqt bor. Aylanma zarba o'tmadi.
He's staying very calm. He's not trying to rush.
Tizza zarbasini endi Sanchez yo'lladi.
They've both got the war they
Oh,
wanted.
That cut now on Akhtamov
Yeah.
is really starting to open
The
up.
longer this round's going, is that allowing Sanchez to recover from that brutal liver shot?
Oo,
I don't think so, 'cause he
mana bu
keeps
tizza
going right back to that body. I
yuqorilar
don't think it's gotten a
ketdi.
break
as well.
Xavfli ham chiqdi.
A minute and change left as they go to ground.
Takedown amalga oshirdi demak, hamyurtimiz
Mirko in the guard of
hozircha
Sanchez.
nazoratni ushlab turibdi.
Khan's going to have some work to do between rounds if we get there, guys.
Opening his guard. Needs to keep that foot on the hip just to create a bit of space. Oh, no, he's coming up on a leg.
There's a lot of blood dripping down the chest of Agent
Chiqib olishga
Sanchez.
harakat qilyapti, deyarli chiqib ketdi Sanchez bu holatdan.
Look at the blood dripping from the face of Mirko.
I think Mirko.
Nazorat
slightly tired, though.
baribir
Surprised
davom
he's not
etyapti.
attacking these submissions.
It's
Do you
been a
think he
dogfight
went?
so far.
You think he went
Vaqt
too
esa
hard
ko'p
on the
emas.
liver shot?
Oh,
Tana qismiga zarba beryapti. Muravzal Ahtamov hozir
30
biroz
seconds left.
This
qiyin holatda qoldi. Qonlarni ham ko'ryapmizmi? Men yanglishmasam qon edi bu. Tana qismida Sanchezni
Good move from Sanchez there.
Sanchez being great
But now he's going
defensively
to
on
need
the
to kick
ground.
off him and try and get up. Yeah.
qon.
Just don't know if he has the energy for
Lekin
it.
kimdan? Chunki agar Sanchezdan deydigan bo'lsak, aynan bir joyda bo'lish kerak edi. Hozir u oyog'ida ham bor.
those body shots is taking
Muravzal Ahtamovdan bo'lmasa bo'lgani.
Round 2 in the can.
Ikkinchi raund nihoyasiga yetyapti hozircha.
On the cut.
Yeah,
Ha.
look at Akhtamov's face. as
Muravzal
well.
Ahtamovdan ekan bu qonlar.
He's tired.
Yeah, both
Ikkala jangchi ham mardona jang qilishyapti. 3-raundni sabrsizlik bilan
This has been one of
kutamiz.
those fights that's absolutely redlining and pinging off the RPM limiter the entire time.
Let's take a look at some of the highlights from the second round.
Boom, liver.
The liver shot was really the starting point of the uprise of Mirko.
There's been a lot of shots to the body here from Akhtamov on Sanchez. And you know, like you're saying, it's a compound effect. You keep going to that, it's going to start to pay off.
And if you've never been hit in the liver before, you cannot understand what that feels like. It is a system shutdown, buddy, in your body.
Like pressing the power button on your computer.
And Kat, is that something that Adrian can recover from in this break, or is he going to stay with him for the next 5
It
minutes?
will be sensitive, not going to be nearly as sensitive, but it will be sensitive.
Now the referee's looking, so the judges looking at this. There's a lot of claret dripping down the face of Mirko. That's going to lean somewhat towards Adrian Sanchez, but again, it was a strong round for Mirko.
I would say it would be a strong round for Mirko on that one.
Sanchez is trying to say that the fight should be stopped because of the cut, or the fact that their weight taking so long to restart the fight.
I think he's protesting
Qo'l
about the amount of
ko'rsatmoqchi
time.
Yeah, 'cause if you're not
Sanchez.
ready to start when the fight
Qandaydir
restarts,
bir
Yeah, but
it's
he's
a
got a-
valid argument.
Not really. I mean, he gets the rest as well. It's
Noroziliklar
doctor
bildiryapti.
job.
Oh, I just
Aynan Muravzal Ahtamovga hozir doktor ruxsat bermayaptimi?
That's it.
Well, the fight is off.
Jarohat sabab ruxsat bermadi.
Oh, look at that cut.
Yeah, it's bad. You can see there from the cage side.
Doktor ruxsat bermadi jangni davom ettirishga.
Off to the side of your eye. At least the
Juda ham ayanchli holat do'stlar, chunki
That's a 2 or 3 inch gash across the eyelid of Mirko. And look, that's not how you want the fight to finish, but again, you've got to put
chunki bu g'alaba
And let's be
biroz
honest,
ortga
that is a
qadam
huge
tashlashga
victory
sabab
for
bo'lishi
Adrian
mumkin.
massive, massive win.
Mutlaq favorit edi Mirazal Ahtamov, lekin mana bu ko'rgilik bor ekan. Ikki raundni to'liq o'ziniki qildi, ammo baribir
I mean, like I said,
taqdirda mana shu mag'lub bo'lish mumkin ko'rinadi.
Rightly so. Sanchez now has taken this opportunity and put his name in lights.
He came from Cape Town. This is his first international fight. He felt like he was on holiday, but I tell you what, he came here to
Nima ham derdik, demak Mirazal Ahtamov faoliyatidagi birinchi mag'lubiyatni qabul qilib olyapti aynan. Mana bu holatda. Albatta istamagandik mana bu holatda mag'lubiyat qabul qilib olinishini, lekin bu holat yuz berdi.
You can see Akhtamov still wants to keep going, and his corners, as you can understand, completely devastated as well.
O'zi zo'rg'a chidab turgandi. Hozir endi o'zidan ham ketib qolyapti.
He wanted to continue, but once again, safety first. Let's make this one official as we hand over to Grant.
Endi esa eshitib olamiz.
Ladies and gentlemen, with Miravsil Akhtamov unable to come out for the third and final round due to a severe cut, we have a winner by way of doctor stoppage and TKO
Afsuski,
from South Africa.
Adrian Sanchez g'alaba qozonyapti do'stlar.